can see the ends very well here, and these are the two ovaries which are attached by ligament to the uterus. And this is the anatomical position where our uterus is placed in our body. In front of this uterus there is a urinary bladder, and behind the uterus there is a rectum and anal canal. Okay, next please. So this is the ovary. This is the structure of ovary. What is this? This is the mature ovum, and from here this ovum is released outside into the abdominal cavity, from where it is carried to the fallopian tube. So before this ovum is released, that is called as the ovulation. And before this, the maturation of these oocytes take place in stepwise manner. So prior to this ovulation, this phase is called as the follicular phase, and whereas after this ovulation, this phase is called as the luteal phase. Why? Because this structure which is left after ovulation is known as the corpus luteum, and the structure which is present before ovulation is called as the Graafian follicle. Okay. Now, after the release of ovum, there are some cells which are left here. These cells have two fates. If the ovum and some fertilization occurs, then this corpus luteum will continue further for 4 months. It will help to nourish the embryo. And if there is menstruation, that means if there is bleeding, then this corpus luteum, it will degenerate. Okay, next please. So this is the diagrammatic representation how the ovulation is occurring and how this ovum is getting transported through the fallopian tube. All of you can see this? Okay, next please. Now, I already told you that this ovum has two phases. Either it will travel through the fallopian tube and come directly into the uterus, or it can get into pregnancy. How? The sperm will enter from the uterine cavity into the fallopian tube, and from this side the ovum will come, and the fertilization takes place within the fallopian tube only, and then this fertilized, this zygote, now you can see this, the zygote will remain here for up to 4 days into this tube, and after that on the 5th day you can see this is getting implanted in the wall of the uterus. This is the wall of the uterus. So this will now get implanted here, and then it will continue to grow up till how many months? 9 months. Very good. Next please. So if pregnancy does not occur, then what will happen? Every month what we see, there is menstrual cycle. Every month there is bleeding from the vagina. So how this happens? This ovum is coming to the fallopian tube. It is not getting fertilized with the sperm. So the ovum is directly coming in the uterus. The uterus has 3 layers. So the internal layer is made up of endometrium, and next to it is the myometrium. Endometrium means the thin lining, and then beneath it are the blood vessels, thin blood vessels. So, and then beneath it are the glands of uterus. So what happens in menstrual cycle? This thin lining along with the blood vessels, they get shed off along with that ovum. These blood vessels, they get constricted. That's why the blood supply is hampered, and the superficial layer, it is dead, so it comes off. This happens every month, and that's why this blood is coming out from the uterus to the vagina to outside. Next please. So this is to show you how the baby comes out of the body. So this is the uterus, this is the vagina, and during normal delivery the baby comes out like this. Okay, this is mother, the spine of the mother, and the baby is getting delivered like this. Next please. So these are the external organs. You already know that in the center this opening is the vaginal opening. Above it, what is there? Which opening is there? Anyone? This is the urethral opening for urine, and below it this is the opening, anal opening for feces. Is it clear, everyone? So these are the 3 openings. These are the external organs of female reproductive system. What these pink structures are there? These are the labia majora and labia minora. These These are the lip-like structures which are folds of skin placed on either side of these three openings. Next, please. This is to make your view more clear. This is centrally placed with the uterus, cervix and vagina. Before this is the anterior side or the front side. From front, this is the bladder for urine collection. This is the urethra, and this is rectum and anal canal for feces. Okay. Next, please. Now we will see what is menstrual cycle. So what is a cycle? Anything which occurs periodically, it is a cycle. So what happens in menstrual cycle? Periodically, every month there is bleeding and different changes are going on in ovum as well as inside the uterine cavity.